Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll provide you an update since my last video about Tron TRX. I'll put a link into the description down below my previous video. If you guys like the content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot this channel to grow and it helps in YouTube algorithm. You can give this video a thumbs up and you can leave a comment into the comment section down below. Okay, so let's get started. Today it is 11 June 2024 and right now Tron TRX it is at about 0.11 US dollars. So about 11 cents. But the market cap it is around 10.22 billion US dollars and it's situated on 13th position here on CoinMarketCap. And the volume in the last 24 hours it is around 404.66 million US dollars and it's situated on 30th position here on CoinMarketCap. I believe that the market cap and the volume in the last 24 hours are pretty good if you ask me, especially the market cap. We have a slight decrease on the position. Last time the market cap was on 11th position on CoinMarketCap. Right now it is on 13th position, but overall this token hold its value pretty well if you ask me. You will see in my next analysis using TradingView. Okay, so let's go on TradingView, and here we have TRX paired with USD at 1 day, and the chart it is on Binance. And since November 2022 this token has a steady increase in price. Let's measure from this lower point from November 2022 to this recent top that was put it on the end of February this year. We have an increase of 218% in 472 days. That is low if you ask me. If we take into the consideration all other tokens that I measured here on this channel, and on the other tokens usually I make the measurement from the last fall of 2023. We can make a comparison with all other tokens by measuring also this token from that period of time, and from August 2023 till this recent top that was put it on 29 February, we have an increase of 105% in 195 days. An increase, it is an increase even if it is lower in comparison with other tokens. Okay, and overall, since this lower point, since November 2022, we have increases not so impressive. For example, here we have an increase of about 58% in 96 days. Here we have another pump that was 44% in 41 days. Here we have, for example, another pump that was 58% in 84 days. So slow and steady. Most recent increase was 44% in 51 days. And also we have a correction that it is minus 27% in 51 days. That was the most recent significant correction. And we have also a flash crash specific to most tokens, and most tokens had a flash crash that was around minus 45%. In this case it is about minus 15% in 9 days. So this token hold its price very well if you ask me. We have a sideways movement since March this year, and we will use some indicators to see what's the situation. But I repeat, overall since November 2022 we have slight pumps in price, not significant, and the overall trend it is, simply put it, upwards. It is something like this. So that it is clear if you ask me. So that's the current situation. Okay, let's look on some indicators here on daily, and for this we will use the 20 and 200 daily simple moving average. And as you can see, since January 2023, when Bitcoin entered in the bull market officially, the token TRX stood most of the time above the 200 daily simple moving average. You can see very clearly here we have a bounce from this level multiple times. Even when we had that flash crash that I discussed earlier, the price managed to get above this level, and we will see if we'll manage to stay above this level. And right now the price it is above the 20 daily simple moving average, and now it can play as a support. We will see what will happen. Okay, And let's look on other indicators here on daily, and for this I'll use the RSI and the stochastic RSI. Stochastic RSI, as you can see, it is in overbought area, it is bullish, and RSI trend, it is overall upwards since the beginning of this month. The moving average, it is slowly increasing, as you can see right here. Okay, let's move on weekly and see what's going on here. And as you can see, stochastic RSI, it's bearish, it is an oversold area, and RSI trend, it is downwards, it is in a slight decrease. But looking at the weekly situation and compare it with the daily, I think that this token has some room to grow. If you ask me, if stochastic RSI will start to pump and RSI as well, I think that the price can test the previous top that was this year in February, that was 0.145, 0.14 approximately. An increase from the actual level to this previous top that was put it this year. By now it will be an increase of, let's see, 23%. I don't believe that it will be such an impossible thing to do. Let's look on the 20 weekly simple moving average, and I personally consider this indicator an important one that tells us if the price momentum is bullish or bearish. Similar to 200 daily simple moving average, most of the time the price stood above the 20 weekly simple moving average, as you can see here. When we had that flash crash at the beginning of April, the price went below this level, tested and went above for a while, and right now it is below. So we have a slight bearish momentum. I think that it is important to exceed the 20 weekly simple moving average to keep the market structure that it is since the beginning of January 2023. Let's look also on a 50 weekly simple moving average, and right now the price, it is above this level. If the price will fall, I think this one can be an important support. If we look also on this level, that it is about 0.1, you can see that this level hold it a few weeks as a support. And let's put an horizontal line to see what I'm talking about. So let's put it about here, and as you can see, from November 2023 till January 2024, this level hold it very well as a support. And right now the 50 weekly simple moving average, it is almost at about the same level as this horizontal line that I put it here, 0.1. Okay, so the price movement, it is between the 50 and 20 weekly simple moving averages. This acts right now as a small channel, so the inferior side could be the 50 weekly simple moving average and this horizontal line that I put it here, and the superior side or the resistance can be the 20 weekly simple moving average. If this one will be passed, I believe that TRX has some chances to retest the previous top that was put it here on February. Okay, and that's the situation for now. Let's look on the general movement of the price of this token, and as you can see, since this chart inception from late 2017, the price momentum, it is clearly upwards. So for now we have this triangle. Let's put it like this and put another line something like this, and as you can see, the price movement, it is between those two lines. So the space, it is becoming more and more narrow, and I think that the price can break this support at the superior side and go upwards. And if the price momentum will break and will go downwards, the first support, it will be that I discussed earlier about 0.1. We will see about this. Okay, so that's the situation with this token. And let's look a little bit on Bitcoin today, 11 June 2024. I believe that Bitcoin status, it is very important because it dictates the all crypto market, and right now Bitcoin, it is at about 67.1k. As you can see, it tested a couple of weeks ago the superior side of this channel that I put it here a few months ago, went above, went below, tested as a resistance. We have a rejection. After that, tested again and break it, stayed for a while at the superior side of this channel in the outside, hold it for a while as a support, and right now went below this level. And if we look also on Bitcoin dominance on a weekly, as you can see, since late November 2023, it is in a continuum increase. Right now, Bitcoin dominance, it is 55.33%. It is a constant increase, so that's why we didn't have an altcoin season like we did in 2021. We will wait and see what will happen also with Bitcoin dominance. If this one will start to decrease, I think that altcoins, including TRX, will see better days. Okay, guys, that's all for today. What do you think about Tron TRX? Do you have in your portfolio? Do you think this token will perform well in the next altcoin season? Leave some comments into the comment section down below. Thank you for joining me here today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and till next time, be well and see you soon. Take care.